Pit stop at Target before we get there. They still don't know, bro. They're hella mad. I'll tell you guys one thing. It's in Oakland.
Nigga, we're in Oakland.
What is it? King Louis?
You see what I'm saying? They don't know though. It's in Oakland.
Actually?
Nigga, that's where we are almost, pretty much.
What'd I say?
But you,
Didn't I tell you?
Didn't I tell you?
I thought it said he was San Leandro.
I fucking knew it. Too.
well, I think it's like not really like in there too crazy, but I don't know. But
I know probably it is because that's the street we're going through. Just wait, bro. We're literally there already. Oh shit, I'm scared. Don't look at the maps. Don't look at the maps because you'll see. At this point, it's literally around the corner. Ah! I see like it's close though. Don't look here. Don't look here. Don't look here.
Oh my god.
Wow, I'm gonna nap.
Golf?
It's nice.
A golf
One
course
like
next
that,
to it?
I like that one.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You saw it already. We're going to the zoo.
I knew it.
What do you think?
What?
We're going to the zoo.
Really?
Yeah. It looks like I want to go home.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, why? What do you think?
You're killing each other now.
Bro, it's the zoo. What's wrong with the zoo? Ever? That's not even a zoo though. That's more like a fucking. That's Happy Hollow.
oh my god.
But I see my car everywhere. Oh.
But we're chilling. How's it going, man? Huh?
Oh, we are.
Always straight? Yeah. Alright. Should I park here or more of a...
There's more?
Yeah, I think I should just park here, huh? Just cause fucking we're already here.
Oh, hell no.
We're literally
We're so gay.
Kids actually.
That's why I thought it was funny, bro. That's what I get. You really feel cringe or what?
I'm good. But there's other
Oh,
ones.
Missy's gonna park behind me.
What do you think, Misa?
This nigga, I've been seeing it.
I know. Oh wait, really?
Yeah.
Since when?
Did you give me the tickets?
Oh really?
You know, like this. So they don't see?
Oh my god.
Boy, got the narrow bed.
We made it, boys. Long ass line. Oakland Zoo. Low-key, they kind of think it's kind of cringe, but it's funny. What happened?
This nigga said, I looked at him, he's like, I have a mom, bro.
A what?
This nigga said, he's like, I have a mom.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no. ¿Quieres tu máscara? Que maybe la ocupas. I don't know. I think the gondola would have been cool.
It's like all up to the rainforest. Never mind.
We're going this.
We're kind of big for it. She's not gonna move if we all go on that.
What are you trying to say?
if we all. Oh shit.
What?
Is that real?
That's what I was thinking for a second, bro.
Because that shit was still as fuck. Oh, it is real.
That's kind of cool.
It's the rocks.
no.
I would actually do that shit.
That's fine, mommy? Here's about this time, so we think we have a little kid.
Hold on, go down here real quick. What is this? Hold on, go down here.
Where? Right there, white tiger. Oh shit.
Oh, regular tiger.
This is hella rare.
He's chilling there. Is there another one? Oh, no, it's a regular one. I know you're famous.
Imagine what the animals have to go through just sitting here all day.
Yeah, it's pretty lame though. This foot does look hella like in
I
you.
think that's gonna hit him sometimes.
Ew, that's what Daniel's fucking knees look like.
Knee?
Like,
Yeah,
these,
look at your
these
knees.
motherfuckers just came out of nowhere. Those niggas.
They're ducks, bro. The giraffe looks cool though. I like how he looks.
What's his name?
Don't you see it, bro?
And then they just got a smile at it. What the fuck?
I think once he gets
I thought
hard,
that
it
shit
comes
was, I
out.
thought that shit was, yeah.
Cause you know how dogs like it comes out. I think that's how
thought
his
that
is.
shit was laundered. That's actually water. It's not smoke. So they could get refreshed.
Oh, we're stop right there.
It's one of those. I think it's like a
let's
fucking.
get on that shit.
Oh, it
Hey, let's
is.
get on that shit.
Oh hell yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
No, right now or after?
Well, right now, and then we'll come back.
Alright,
Well,
let's-
wait, actually, first I want to get something to eat, and then we can.
Right here behind you, bro. There's a snack bar.
Oh, even better.
Oh wait, did you even bring the chips?
Yeah.
Oh, you put them in here? Nice. Oh, look at this.
That's for you. That's for you.
Look at this one. Oh hell yeah, that's nice. Bro, he sees you laughing at him, bro. Ew. Nah, he doesn't have that big one.
Dang, he got
This
scraped.
looks
Looks like it hurt.
it does look like it hurt.
He has the
Yeah.
things that you.
That's
like, throw in your
Misa's
hand.
ass. That's like my ass.
There's only 3, 4.
No, look at the tiny
Hello
one.
over there. That makes me laugh. I'm laughing way too much.
Yeah. Oh, that tiny ass one?
Yeah, why is that shit so shiny?
Oh shit, bruh. They're looking thick. Actually, no, I wanted to see some inflated ass.
Badass one?
Yeah.
You probably only
I think that guy up there has one.
Look at that one.
fool.
Right
That fool looks big.
Oh, look what he's trying to do. Look what he's
Yeah,
trying
that,
to do.
the big one up there?
You
Where?
saw
And that fool,
Look at the baby one.
the big one looks cool. Just 'cause he's tiny.
Look what he's doing. Look what he's doing. But you saw that? He's trying to hit him. Look, you saw that shit?
I like the little man.
I'll slap the fuck out of him in real life.
I like a little bro, huh? On the head.
Yeah, like.
Bro, Misa, you're really wearing a sweater, bro. You're really wearing a sweater and pants. What are you doing?
Fucking naked and looking at me, just stick my dick out.
It's hot, bro. It's hot.
Fucking baboons and shit.
Like, I feel hot right now. And look at you.
You're hot.
Yeah.
Take the picture, a picture with the pandas.
I don't know if they have pandas.
Or
We'll see.
sloth.
Yeah, sloth would be cool, but I don't know. Damn, look at all those animals, bro.
Better than that.
Yo, who's going first?
Who's taking stand? Can you stand?
No.
Bro, you cannot stand in here. It's too small.
I'm being claustrophobic.
It's gonna break my back. Go, Misa.
Oh, you can.
You just wanna see my ass.
I'll put it in front of
Yeah.
Oh, hell nah. They did that shit on purpose.
Now we off there. We're chilling. Oh, chill, bro. Oh, God. Oh!
Why is it wet?
Get over,
I know, I felt that.
They better leave the doors open.
Today.
Hey, chill. What? Oh!
Nigga, don't wiggle.
That laugh.
Hey, why aren't they going faster, bro?
Bro,
What the fuck?
You're shaking no ass, Don, if you know.
Who's shaking his ass?
I think.
Oh, what? I was trying to shake this
Look
shit.
at that shit, bro.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Oh, shit.
That's even better.
Let me find out you're fucking.
Oh, hell no, we still got more.
Oh,
What?
shit.
Let me find out you scared.
Let me find
What if it
out.
falls? What if it
Nah,
What
stop.
if it, hey, what if it
Hey,
falls?
let's shake it.
What if it falls? What if it falls?
I'm taking video. Hey,
Yeah, just post on my story.
Donovan, sit on. Bro, you swear you're shaking some shit.
Nigga, don't do that.
Hey, what the fuck?
Oh, no, that one.
That one sticks the whole fucking wire.
Boy, y'all niggas is scared?
fuck yeah, nigga, you wanna die?
Hey, motherfucker. That shit feels weird, bro. What are those?
Oh, hell no.
Fucking.
Hi.
Boy, if you don't. Damn, look at it. It fucking looks sick.
Damn. What?
Bro, we gotta throw this nigga off, bro, for real. I wanted some chips, bro. I didn't even get some chips.
Let me have some.
Before we land, everyone go.
Damn, y'all fucking eating speedrunning, fucking eating chips and shit.
Rubber lamb.
Just sicko.
Oh, hell yeah.
What's a bear?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you mean a word? I thought otters.
I didn't even know what. That was good.
That fool's just chilling.
It looks fake.
You think?
Well, look at the fighting.
I don't know. They look pretty legit.
Probably just because I've never seen them in real life.
Yeah. You want a picture with the bears or what, Donna?
Yeah?
Right there, look. Screenshot. Bow.
No, actually.
Are you doing?
For fun.
Get a photo.
Get a photo.
It was on. It was slow motion.
Oh, look at the wave.
Oh, they're not that big. They're kind of small looking. Oh, shit.
Well, look at the game.
Oh, hell yeah. That looks nice right now, huh?
I wanna go swimming now.
Well, swim with them. They look like you.
That fool has no friends.
He's swimming on a boat.
Just She's trying to kiss or something. Hey, you know what we gotta do with the culture. Oh, you? You better stop! Feels good. It's refreshing. The air and shit. Like the wind, I'm saying. Ew, that nigga taking the fat ass shit. Check this out. Huh? Look at taking the fat ass shit.
You got different brands.
Yeah, I was gonna wear like sweats too. So good thing I wear these, low-key, huh? Cause then we would've been all matching. Really?
It's recording.
How'd I look?
This one right here.
I should've been this one. That one was the girl.
Where'd they go?
Over there. Nah, under there.
They're here?
Over there.
In the bathroom or?
No, actually, I don't know. The fuck? Actually?
I got a tattoo, bro.
Over here?
My sleeve.
Oh, is that a tattoo? Watch out here.
With your weight on.
He said, held my hand. No, hell no. This place is pretty sick. Oh, I think it's better if you do it light, you see?
Bro, you did hella hard, look.
I know. I just left the mancha on there. Hey, Miso, you're not gonna make a TikTok? Hey! Somebody said they found your TikTok.
Oh, really?
But I have like, send the link and they didn't send nothing.
I think they're capping. They haven't found it yet.
They're capping, bro. I was like, oh shit.
They want to see me do the jerk like he does it. Wait, show him? I did that on the TikTok.
Really? Actually?
You know?
Send me the link. Oh, hell no.
I like this bird. This is better than the Santa Cruz one. Hey, it's full.
Huh?
No, no. Now, me, sir.
Wait on me.
Nigga, that's the only part you listen to?
Ah!
Hey, you can cuss at people because they're not this.
Yeah, you won't.
What are they gonna do?
Yeah, right.
Oh, yeah, go. Nah, that's a kid. That's a kid.
Not a kid though, not a kid.
Damn!
Not too many kids.
Oh, nah, bro. You're just... Whoa, hey, what the number? I hope this, bro.
He's like, far away.
There's a whole fucking... There's a zoo.
Caca face.
That's not even funny, bro. That's not even funny, bro. 25?
Yeah.
Actually, the mom left. I'm not gonna lie.
Right there.
Ah!
Hit that little girl. Hey, why are we slowing down,
Bro,
bro?
at every single one.
Dude, you sound like one of the
No, you turn, not my turn.
Go, no.
Go, right there. Boy, if you don't...
Your turn.
I'm like, it's an eagle.
What?
That's a fucking dinosaur, bro. What the fuck? That's a fucking... A pig. When you step on them.
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping. I'm gonna buy something. Nah, shit, I don't think so. Really? Donovan, you want a sweater, bro?
Yeah. Try it on.
Steve's cousin. Yeah, we don't fuck with him now. What happened?
You got to stop. Put it on.
With a ring?
Yeah, put it on.
Oh, hell no. Actually?
It's adjustable.
Actually?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, what the hell? It's like a mood ring. Hell.
Wait,
Imagine.
you touch it and it goes blue?
Yeah, it's a mood ring. It's fake though. It's cap.
How does it do that?
Like,
Are those pins?
there's a
I thought it was.
That's not.
What is that one? Like, the fuck?
What's out?
You're not even on the board. You know what? Oh, that's real nigga.
This is what happens when you're a real SG.
Like I made one. Oh damn! Look, hey.
You should buy more for you.
Hey, hey.
Excellent. Thank you, sir. It's going to be $7.86 today.
Damn, they hella pro. That fool went troll. What you talking about, boy? Alright, chill. That's easy. No, you do it when it's backwards. It looks better than it's forward.
Forward.
Look, I'll work out. Put my hat backwards.
Now with your cousin.
With a race? No, like backwards looks better than forward.
Race? What the fuck?
Uphill race. But I mean, if it's raw egg, I'm gonna beat you guys regardless. So I don't care.
What do you raw egg?
Last one to the cars is a raw egg.
Nah, hell no.
Nah, I don't care.
You better run.
You guys can say nah, but I'm not gonna be last. Yeah, but in the last stretch, someone's gonna start running. Last one's a raw egg, but for real though. Come on.
What you about to eat, boy?
Oh, me? I'm about to eat this peanut butter smoothie with some fucking...
Oh, I thought you were gonna eat me.
Shit, that's for dessert, nigga.
Gay!